Hello everyone, welcome back to EngVlog, and today in this lesson we're gonna talk about 10 ways to say hello and goodbye. It's a beginner's lesson. This lesson is only for beginners, so you will find this lesson very easy. And I will recommend all the beginners to watch this lesson very carefully and use all the terms in their speaking, right? Okay, let's jump into the lesson. First one is hello. Okay, it's a famous song from Adele, British singer. Hello, something like that. Okay, so you could say hello. It's one of the common phrases native speakers and learners all over the world use. So just hello, repeat after me, hello, or hello. Okay, so if there is no one and you are looking for someone, okay, just it's an empty place or empty room, so you're saying hello, is there anybody, or anybody home, or hello. Okay, next comes hi. Simple hi. Okay, so repeat after me, hi, hi. Okay, great. Next, hey. Well, it's a bit informal. Okay, so INF. Okay, right, INF stands for informal. Okay, so for your information, that informal terms and phrases are those that we use when we are talking with our friends or colleagues or the person who is very close to us, right? Okay, so where we find the environment very friendly, okay, and informal situation, okay, and environment. In those kind of situation, and with that kind of person, we use some different kind of specific words and terms and phrases. These are called informal phrases or idioms or words. Okay, so hey is informal. Okay, you can't call your boss, hey boss, how you doing, right? So he won't mind. Okay, next comes hi there. So hi there is I like this one. Okay, hi there. Okay, it's not only hi, but also you are addressing people. Okay, hi there, what's going on here? Okay, something like that. So repeat after me, hi there, hi there. Okay, so you should put some interest in your voice so that the listeners or the audience, okay, feel interest as well. Okay, and they feel that they should listen to you, listen to your voice. Okay, so hi there, hi there. Okay, so hi there, right. Next comes howdy. Okay, howdy. Howdy is also informal term, and it's less common. Okay, people will use it. Very few people use that, but I personally like this one as well. So repeat after me, howdy, howdy, howdy. Okay, so here's the marker, informal. Okay, now it's the time to say goodbye, right? Okay, 6, bye. Okay, when you were saying bye to someone, okay, yeah, depending on the situation, sometimes you may feel sad. Okay, sometimes sadness pops up in your voice, or sometimes enthusiasm that you had a great time with someone and you were expressing that excitement and joy and happiness in your voice, even you were saying bye, just like that one. Okay, just listen to me carefully. Okay, I'm going to use that 2 or 3 times. Bye. Except plain, there is no enthusiasm. Okay, I had a very bad time, or maybe I don't want to mention that how the time was. Okay, how the time I spent with you. Okay, how much I was happy with you. Okay, bye. Or bye, that means I'm very sad to say goodbye to you, I'm very sad to leave you, right? Bye. Okay, or you could say bye, that means for now, for the time being, I'm just saying goodbye to you, but soon we are gonna meet again, right? So a lot of enthusiasm I'm having in my voice. So listen to me again. Bye. Repeat. Bye. Bye. Great. Okay. Next comes bye-bye. Okay, so it's you know, 2 times bye. Okay, so you could say bye or bye-bye. Yeah, it also sounds very nice to me. Okay, repeat. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Okay. Next comes see ya later. Okay, so those who don't know actually, ya means you. Okay, so see you later. That means I will see you around. Okay, hope to see you again. Okay, sooner or later. So see you, when native speakers, when they speak very fast, they sometimes eliminate. I've told you that sometimes they eliminate some words or parts of words, right? So you becomes ya. So when they speak these phrases, when they use this phrase very quickly, it sounds like see ya later. Repeat. See ya later. See ya later. See ya later. Okay. So it's also informal. Be very careful. Informal. Okay. You can't say your boss. See ya later. Okay. Next comes take care. It's a nice one because you are expressing that you want someone to take care of themselves, right? So it's really a nice one. So you could use take care. And when you use the word term take care, you should have a very, you know, kind of deep voice, like take care. Okay, you should say take care, take care, take care. If you use very nasal sound, okay, it will not put much good impression. Okay, so have a deep voice, like take care. I don't have a deep voice, but I think you have. Okay, take care. And the last one is have a good one. Okay, it's the least common. I can say that people, very, very few people use that, but it's a really good one. You could say have a good one. Maybe your friend is going somewhere else. Okay, maybe is going on a party. You could say have a good one. That means you are praying. You wish that your friend is going to have a great party. Okay, so repeat after me. Have a good one. Have a good one. Have a good one. Great. Okay. So these are all, I mean, not all actually, these are 10 phrases or terms you could use when you want to say hello or and goodbye. Okay. And 3, number 5, and number 8, these are informal. So just be very careful when you are dealing with it. Sorry. So this is pretty much about it. I'm going to make a lots of videos and lessons on the same topic, and you know, some essential topics, and all the videos are only for you. Okay, all the videos are only for you guys. Okay, so which one should I use to say goodbye? Bye. Bye-bye. See you later. Take care and have a good one. So if you like the video, just hit the thumbs up below, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, to your YouTube channel, EngVlog. Hope to see you. All these things. Bye-bye.